Hey guys, Rachel here, and I am so excited. We just received the new 2025 Vibe, which is one of my absolute favorite product lines, and I'm excited because this floor plan is beautiful. So if you're looking for a coach, if you're looking for something that has no bunks, but I mean, absolutely stunning, the quality is beautiful, I mean, great. It is just it's a unit that I cannot wait to show my customers. So we're gonna go from the outside in, and even the outside is stunning. So I'm excited to show you, but let's go ahead and go. You guys let me know. Let's go. Alright guys, we got the Forest River Vibe 2025 model 2800RL, so that's that rear living. It is black, rose gold, and gray. I'm in love. You've got a slide back here, and you have a slide on this side with two awnings. You've got your backup camera prep, and I do apologize, it is raining outside, so hopefully the video comes through, but you got your backup camera. You also have the power stabilizers on here, you'll see right there, which is always really nice to have. I'm not sure, let's see, you got a fridge, very nice. You can put your, you can plug up your TV outside. All right, let's take a look inside. Take it all in. This is a beautiful, beautiful unit. I am absolutely in love. I love the natural light coming in from everywhere. Stunning. All right, so we have on the, like we said, the rear living. So you've got your rear living, got a nice big couch. You have an ottoman, of course the top comes off, and you do have your theater seating as well. But you're surrounded by beautiful windows. You also have these blinds that come down right here. Super easy, love them, but they look so, they're just very classy. You've got your theater seating over, or excuse me, your theater over here as well. You've got cubbies and a fireplace. And then you do have storage right over here, top and bottom. And then you do have your ottoman right here, which I said does come off, but you also have a table in there. So that's gonna, you'll grab that and it'll pull right up. So if you work from home and you wanna work right here on the couch or on the theater seating, you can. But you also have a desk. You have a nice little desk over there. You can use it for, you know, whatever, but you do have that option, which is really nice. And then I noticed that this has a door, so you got a little bit more storage back here as well. It hides your TV wires and cables, which is always great. I love that. So a little bit extra storage, which is, we love storage here. Right here we've got some more cabinetry and storage. And then in our kitchen, which is gorgeous, we've got a breakfast island. We got some outlets on it, but I love this. It's beautiful, and it's not in the way of your living area. You've got a nice big fridge as well, so plenty of space for all your goods, along with your freezer up at the top. You've got a beautiful window over here with some counter space on both sides, a 3-burner, and then you do have that oven, microwave mix right here, I believe. Yep, 3-in-1 oven with grill, convection, and microwave. Very nice. And then tons of storage right here on both sides. Drawers, more over here, and then up here. And then you've got some more counter space. Beautiful, you know, backsplash, and then a nice big sink. But it's just, it's so pretty. Just so even when you walk in, it's just beautiful. I could definitely live in here. All right, down the hall, we've got our bathroom. Nice and big, plenty of space. They put a little shelf here. We've got a nice big shower. Plenty of storage here. I love having that in a bathroom, which is, I have a lot of bathroom stuff, so I don't know if any other person does, but I know I do. I could definitely use all the storage right here. I like that they have a little bit more counter space right here as well. And then of course right here, we've got more. Moving on to our master bedroom. All right. So we've got a master bedroom, which, by the way, you can walk on both sides. You've got storage here on this side with cubbies behind each, little lights on both sides as well. And then you do have some more over here with a washer and dryer prep. And I want to, yes, very nice. Has it on both sides. Love it. And then you do have a pocket door right here, but beautiful windows in here. I mean, I could completely get, relaxed in here. Beautiful windows on both sides and just relax and chill. I love it. I probably would be in the living room more so, just because I'm in love with the windows and the way this looks. But as always, I want to know what you guys think. I want to know, do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know. Call, text, email if you want any more information. My information, of course, is going to be in the description. But until next time, guys.